What's up, everyone? Welcome to Double Up with Astro, and I would like to thank y'all for watching this video. Today, we're going to talk about how to promote Easy One Up. And basically, Easy One Up is a digital marketing product that has a lots of training videos that you can be able to promote. Um, and it comes with a lot of product packages that you can purchase to earn a commission from $25 to $2,000. And one thing I like about this platform is that it has the same day payouts. So you don't have to wait a week or nothing, and you just pay that price one time. And that's very, very feasible, especially if you're starting out, in affiliate marketing. It's very, very, very helpful. And I'm going to show you in the back office what I mean. So you have like different products, You have the Elevation, which is $25. You have your Elevation Elite, which is $100. You have your Vertex, and that's $250. Vertex Elite, $500. Vertex Pro is $1,000, and the Vertex Live is $2,000. Now, this is how it really works. So whatever product package that you purchase, that is the amount that you're going to earn. So for instance, if you pay for the Elevation, you're going to earn anything or anybody that signed up under you under the $25 package. But if you was to get someone under you and they go to the Elevation Elite and it's $100, you will miss out on that $100 because you're still at the Elevation package. So you want to be able to get at the highest level possible. But, just for starters, you can start off at $25 and work your way up. And, it's very, very, like I say, it's very upfront pay. And that's something that a lot, when you start on online marketing, you want to be able to have something with same day pay that will allow you to, wait weeks and weeks in advance, to get paid. So it's a very, very affordable price, what I'm saying, starting off. And, yeah, but see, one thing I do have to say, in order to really promote Easy One Up, you need some type of capture page, and that's one thing that Easy One Up doesn't have. You have to have some type of third party site that can pretty much promote this instance, of Easy One Up. And I'm gonna show you what I use and what tool that I use to promote Easy One Up. It's called My Capture Page, and My Capture Page is a site that you can have so many lead capture pages to make for yourself and to promote any primary business. They have a lot of list of businesses that you could get into with Easy One Up. And I'm gonna show you in the autoresponder so you can see, different ones, you can promote through it. So these are the autoresponders, and every capture page has its own autoresponder, and that's one beauty of this site that I really, really like. So it has done for you email pages. Like here you go, Easy One Up. You see that? You can have any type of primary business that you can plug in. Text bot. It has a lot of sites that, a lot of business, primary business sites that you can really go to from here. So that's the beauty of it. And they got training videos that you can check out to help you set up everything in the back office. And, excuse me, this is the Easy One Up, and this is a video through My Capture Pages, and it sets up everything that you need for you so you can help promote yourself and you can help brand yourself. You see, it has all the product packages, and, your prospects can pretty much go through and they can check out all the information, and then you can have your picture. You can have, if you want them to, you can connect your Facebook to it, your Twitter, LinkedIn, and if you have a blog, and if you have your phone number and your email. So it's pretty much, you know, self-explanatory. You just go through the whole, uh, just go through to check out the video and see what it has to offer you. It has lots of information that you can check out that on Easy One Up itself doesn't have. So this is be a good marketing strategy that you could use. And to get my capture pages is only $19.95 a month. Very, very reasonable. And you know, you could do so much with this particular platform. You could go here through the traffic leads. They have different types of, you know, if you want to be able to do SMS marketing, you could do, you know, classified submissions where you can have your ad posted on so many sites. You can have real-time biz app leads a day where you could be able to get prospects in real time and you could be able to talk to them as well. You know, you got MMM leads, biz app traffic. You know, when you get that automated traffic, you spend, you know, whatever amount package that you want to get a certain amount of clicks. And yeah, this is pretty much if you want to do paid advertising, you know. But for starters, you know, you want to be able to use like free advertising if you don't have any money to invest into paid ads. You want to do Facebook, YouTube, and all those different types of social media sites that you could be able to post for free in order to really get your link out there. And it has so many sales funnels with my capture page to promote Easy One Up. So yeah, Easy One Up is a good, you know, and it's been around for quite some time. And you know, when you got a program that has longevity, you know that it is a very successful business that, you know, many people were successful in. So that's one thing you do want to recognize, is that, you know, you do your research and check to see if any business has longevity, if it's been around for quite some time. So that was just a little tutorial of what I wanted to show you guys on how to really promote Easy One Up and what you can use by using my capture pages. And you know, that's one way you can use it. And like I said before, they got everything you need in the back office that can help you set it all up so you can connect Easy One Up with my capture pages. All right, once again, this is Double O with Astro. I'll see you in the next video. And then once again, if you want to get started with me, the link in the description below will be in that description. So you want to be able to like it, and you know, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel as well. And if you want to get started, and then for people who start with me at the Vertex level, I do have some free marketing training which I can help you promote this and, you know, get you on the right foot. You know what I'm saying? So once again, this is Double O Astro. Peace.